Good day, everyone. Before we proceed to our discussion for this session, I prepared an activity for you all. It is called Arrange Me. For this activity, you are going to arrange the scrambled letter shows, and anyone who get the correct answer, I will give extra points. Understood? So first, number 1, who wants to answer? Very good. For numbers 2 and 3, who wants to answer? Wow, very good. That is correct. For items 4 and 5, anyone who wants to answer in the class? Okay, very good. So those answers you've given, those are the topic that we will discuss in this session. Can you guess what is it? That will be our topic for this session. Anyone? Very good. So our topic for this session is a subtopic of social literacy, which is emotional intelligence and people skills. But first, let's discuss the emotional intelligence. Anyone here who have idea? Okay, so emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions in positive ways to relieve stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome challenges, and diffuse conflict. Emotional intelligence helps you build stronger relationships, succeed at school and work, and achieve your career and personal goals. Emotional intelligence is commonly defined by these attributes: social skills, motivation, empathy, self-regulation, and self-awareness. So, there are 4 components of emotional intelligence. So first, let's define perceiving emotions. The first step in understanding emotions is to perceive them accurately. In many cases, this might involve understanding nonverbal signals such as body language and facial expressions. Second, reasoning with emotions. The next step involves using emotion is to promote thinking and cognitive activity. Third, understanding emotions. The emotions that we perceive can carry a wide variety of meanings. If someone is expressing angry emotions, the observer must interpret the cause of the person anger and what it could mean. And lastly, managing emotions. The ability to manage emotions effectively is a crucial part of emotional intelligence and highest level. Anyone who can enumerate? Very good. There are some different ways to practice emotional intelligence, include being able to accept criticism and responsibility, being able to move on after making a mistake, having empathy for other people, and having great listening skills. Understanding emotions can be the key to better relationships, improve well-being, and stronger communication skills. So there are tips improving emotional intelligence. First is listen. Take the time to listen to what people are trying to tell you, both verbally and non-verbally. Second is empathize. Imagine how would you feel in their situation. So the ability to listen with emotion is an important part of emotional intelligence. Consider how their own emotions influence your decision and behavior. So let's move on to the last subtopic of social literacy, which is the people skills. People skills are the tools you use to communicate and interact effectively with others. Individuals with strong people skills are able to predict behavior, relate to others, and socialize easily. An accountant needs to be good at math, a teacher needs to master socialization, and a doctor needs to keep up on the latest medical research. However, everyone who wants to succeed needs to be fluent in particular sets of skills, which is people skills. Examples of people skills are effective communication, active listening, collaboration, relationship building, and respectfulness. Good people skills are defined as the ability to listen, to communicate, and to relate to others on a personal or professional level. Good communication skills involves choosing your words carefully, getting good information, and special valuable skills include ability to have empathy, conflict relationship skills, the value of patience, tolerance, and understanding. To sum it up, these social cognition or social skills, emotional intelligence, and people skills are all part of social literacy. These skills are very important in our daily lives in order for us to create relationships, build and maintain harmony. It is also for us to avoid conflicts in our daily lives. So, for our last activity, identify whether it is true or false. So number 1, emotional intelligence help you build stronger relationships, succeed at school and work, and achieve your career and personal goals. Okay, correct. That is true. And number 2, good people skills is the ability to listen, to communicate, and to relate to others on a personal or professional level. Correct. Very good. And for the last item, emotional intelligence and people skills are very important in our daily lives in order for us to create relationships, build and maintain harmony. Correct. Very good. That would be all. Thank you for listening and I hope you learned a lot. Thank you.